So when marking around a conduit like this, a round conduit, can be a little bit of a challenge. For this particular situation, I would lay the paver in there and then mark your center point, which I've already done that with my red marker. And then pulling this out then again, what I'll do at that point, then take my tape measure and measure off of here. And so for this particular project, you can see I have a little bit of a gap there. The bottoms are tapered. These are Florida pavers, so it's kind of the way they're done. So I am going to make this 14.5 inches would be exact. So if I measure then from this point, 14.5, and I'm going to want to give myself just a little bit of play. So I'm probably going to do almost an 1/8 inch around here. We don't want to have any chipping. So I'm just going to mark this here at that point. And then I know that this is a 2-inch pipe. And again, I said I wanted to be an 1/8 or so wider. So if I'm 2-inch, I'm going to be 2 1/4. So this dimension here, I literally want to make 1 1/8 inches. So I can hold it here on the center, go 1 1/8 inches. I'm going to tighten this right down, nice and tight. Then taking this point, I'm going to set it here, right in my center point, and literally then I can take this around, make my radius, so I can mark that like that. Gives me my nice horseshoe right there. The other way to do it is if you had a piece of this pipe, which I don't, I would set the pipe here and obviously center it, so then I could do it that way likewise. You can sign up for our tip of the week here,
or you can watch more of our videos here.
You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here,
and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com.
If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.